Hello students, I am Sandhya Kalita, Senior Faculty CEC Head Office. Welcomes you all to CEC online videos. Today I am going to discuss about an interesting topic. So let's get started. Today I am going to show you the use of basic tools in Adobe InDesign. First of all, if we want to draw a square, then we need to go to this rectangle tool and draw the shape in your page as per your requirement. Now, in order to fill a color or give a color to your box, go to this option, fill option, and select a color which you want to add or fill to your box. I have selected this color and it has been added to the box. Here, after this, you can also add an outline to it. So for giving an outline, select this option, go to this outline tool option, stroke, then select a color. Here you cannot see this line in your box or outline in the box because the point is very small here. You need to increase the size of the line. So I have selected this option and then select a different a little bit bigger size of the outline this way. Now you can see the outline has been added to this box. Also we can change the line styles. For this we'll have to go to the below option of the stroke and select a line style from here. Different styles have been given, so which one you want to give it to your box, click on that option and it will be added to it. Now we can see the line style has been changed. This way we can fill a color to the box, then give a outline to it, select the line width from this option, and also we can change the line styles. So this is a box created here. This way you can make boxes in Adobe InDesign. After that you can write or type text in your box. For that you will have to select the text tool. Click on this text tool, then click on your box and start typing the texts. This way I have typed some text here. After that, to format the text, we can change the size or styles or add bold, italics, underline or color, then stroke to the text from this formatting toolbar here. Now first of all I am going to change the font style. There is the list here where different fonts are given. Which one you want to give it to your text, select that option. Then I am changing the font size. Here it is by default 12 point. Now if I want to make it smaller, then I will select a bit small size, or if I want to make it larger, then select a big size from here. I have selected the 48 point and we can see the font size has been changed. After this, if I want to change the line spacing in between these lines, then I'll have to go to the below option of the font size and select a point from here. Now we can see a little bit the gapping of the lines has been changed. It has been increased. Again I have selected the last option 72. Again it has been increased a bit more. Now if I want to make the gap small, then I am going to select a different option. Now the spacing has been lesson from before. This way we can add font size or line spacing. Then also we can change the color. We will have to go to this option and select a color from here. The color will be added to the text. Then we can also add stroke to the texts. For adding strokes we'll need to select this option and we can add stroke to our texts. So this is a simple box where I have typed some texts and add different formats here.